The problem is you can't get out of your car. The inside door lever is loose and feels like it's not connected to anything. And the bigger problem is you can't buy just this door lever. You have to buy the entire door panel, and the door panel, there's many different options depending on trim and color, and there's a very long lead time because nobody keeps it in stock, plus it's very expensive. This problem happens to the Mercedes-Benz C-Class from 2008 to 2015 in the 204 chassis. The solution is the AGA door lever repair kit that comes with everything you need. It only takes a few minutes and it allows you to repair your existing plastic door lever. Let me show you how it's done. You need very few tools to do this repair. A Torx 27, a door panel popper, a cutoff wheel, which can be subsidized with a pair of dikes and or an X-Acto knife, and a drill. The kit comes including a drill bit, the Allen wrench, the lever, and the hardware you need, plus it even comes with the factory cable clip that often falls off and lays inside the door. Removing the door panel itself varies a little bit from year to year, but basically you remove the Torx screws, the trim pieces, pop the clips around the outside, and lift up on the panel and lift it off the car. When removing it, be careful not to pull hard and damage the wires on the inside. Once you remove the door panel, we recommend placing it on a clean level surface and then propping up the handle with a clean box or object like this so it keeps the lever in the retracted or closed position. Right here you can see where the clip came out of the original broken plastic lever. We want to trim the plastic lever off right here at the end of the ram where I'm drawing this line, and along the ridge right here. So here we're using a cut-off wheel. You could use an X-Acto knife or a pair of very sharp dikes, but a cut-off wheel is definitely a very easy way. Now that we have the broken part of the plastic lever trimmed off, we're going to install the billet aluminum piece. Slide the billet aluminum bracket onto the plastic lever. Make sure that the bottom of the plastic lever and the bottom of the billet aluminum piece lines up. This ensures that the cable goes back on the same plane. Hold the lever in place, and with the supplied number 28 drill, use the billet aluminum bracket as a drill guide and drill through the lever. Insert the threaded aluminum block into the bottom of the lever. Pay attention that this relieved surface is facing away from the lever. If it is tight going into the lever, it may be necessary to sand a little bit on each side. Because this lever is plastic, it is very inconsistent in size. Once you slide the threaded aluminum block into the lever, observe through the hole that the hole in the lever and the threaded block lines up. Install the billet piece on top of the lever and insert the supplied 832 screw. Start it by hand. Once it is started, it will not rotate because the threaded block fits into the groove of the back of the lever. Tighten it with the 7/32 supplied Allen wrench. Insert the supplied Mercedes cable clip into the lever. You can use the supplied Allen wrench as leverage like shown here. Now that the lever is repaired, the door panel is ready to install. We just avoided the long lead time of getting a new panel, the difference in color and texture that you often experience when you get a new panel, and of course, a very big expense of having to buy the new panel. All that is left now is to reinstall the door panel. So now it works and the lever is good as new. Without having to buy a complete panel, you fixed it with the AGA door lever kit, you saved a lot of money, and if you're ordering it for a customer, you'll make them very happy. You can get this part on agatools.com. Thanks for watching.